In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column in Clickup 2025. Whether you're new to Clickup or just looking to optimize your workflow, adding a column can help tailor your workspace to better fit your needs. Let's dive in and get started on this simple yet incredibly useful task. First, we'll need to head over to the Clickup website. Open your preferred web browser and visit clickup.com. Once there, locate the Login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. If you have your ClickUp account linked with Google, you can conveniently sign in using the Sign In with Google option. Otherwise, just proceed with your usual credentials. This integration simplifies access and ensures a more seamless experience while managing your tasks. Next, select your Google account to complete the sign-in process. This will lead you right into your ClickUp dashboard where all your projects are housed. Once you're in, navigate to the specific space or project where you want to add a new column. In your dashboard, look for the plus icon. This icon is usually easy to spot and serves as your gateway to customizing the layout of your ClickUp interface. By clicking this icon, you'll be prompted with a few options for what kind of column you can add. You have options like project goals, milestone dates, budget allocation, and task summary. Consider what information you find most useful and relevant to your needs when choosing which type of column to add. For this example, let's go with the project goals column. This is particularly helpful for keeping your eyes on the overarching objectives of your projects, ensuring every task you undertake aligns with your big picture vision. Once you've clicked on project goals, you'll see that you have the flexibility to personalize the column name, tailor it to make sense within your project context. You might call it Q1 objectives if you're latching it to quarterly priorities, or simply goals overview for a more general touch. And now for the final touches. Locate the create button at the bottom of this menu. Clicking create will finalize your addition, and voila, your new column is live and ready for you to populate with essential data. Adding columns in ClickUp is a straightforward process, yet it greatly enhances how you track and manage different aspects of your projects. It supports clarity, organization, and efficiency, enabling you to customize your workspace precisely how you envision it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your experience with ClickUp even more productive. Happy managing.